Welcome back to my channel. This is Prometheus, your host. I'll bring you guys a new video about the ambient lights. We finally got the ambient light installed and it looks fantastic. Backstory, my wife's car never came with one, so the radio didn't have the option to change the colors on the ambient light, so we had to program that in there. So I'm going to show you guys how this stuff is done. Oh, well, not how it's done, but how they did it. It's amazing, guys. It looks fantastic. But before we jump into the car, I'd like to show you guys what comes in the box of the DMP ambient light kit. The 64, I got the 64 color one, so I'm going to show you guys right quick. So let's jump into that and bear with me, please. Before we jump into the car, there's one part I need to show you guys. This is what comes out of the box after you've purchased the kit from DMP. It comes in like this, and it might be different from BMW or some other cars, but this is specifically for GLC. Okay, and I think with 300 as well, the Mercedes-Benz C300. So the GLC and the C300, the kits will look like this. The box may look different, but this is how my box look like. Welcome back, guys. So now we're in the car. As you can see, this is the control center, the settings, vehicle settings of the old radio. You can now see that the ambient light color, it's there now. You can actually have the options actually there. So you can go in and change the ambient light colors as you want. There's 64, I think 64 to 65 colors here you can change to. It's beautiful. This is A-class graded, man. I can't say enough of how good this thing looks. I mean, you guys can see it, and it's literally now on the Mercedes-Benz radio, so you can actually, you know, increase the lighting, reduce it too as well. You can make it really bright if you choose to, you know, but I like putting it at 4. That's, you know, that's you know, it looks better that way. However, as you guys can see, it's there now, you know, and this thing cost about $200 and something. It wasn't that bad. So currently they have Mercedes-Benz, Jeep, BMW, a few exotic cars there. I'm hoping that in the future they will bring in cars like, you know, Camrys, Honda Accords, stuff like that, guys. All right. That's it for the video, guys. I really appreciate you guys coming to my channel to watch my reviews. There's a few other products that I've purchased. Guys, just keep in mind, everything that I review, I use them. So there's more products that I purchased that I currently use that I would like to review for you guys to take a look at it. If it's something that will benefit you, might as well just go ahead and buy it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully I hope that the video grows, and I hope I get better making videos in YouTube. And thank you guys again. I appreciate it, and have a good one.